Join me by sitting or standing. Take a few deep breaths. Think about what brought you here today to do this video. This is a time to listen to your body. I'm lightly swaying because it feels good, helps me center. Listen to any sounds you hear and notice any thoughts that come through. If you notice something around you that sparks your interest, gravitate towards it. Or you can always just stay in place. Begin to move how you think the object you gravitated towards moves. There's no right or wrong, just be with it. If you feel silly or uncomfortable, that's okay. You can stop at any time, or just use that to help guide you. I think I noticed a tree moving and I wanted to be that tree for a little bit. Go to another area that sparks interest. Move how you think it makes you feel. Getting into nature or near it, even if it's your backyard, a balcony, a park, or next to your plants in your home, can be really centering and rejuvenating to your system. Here I am just exploring. Moving what moves me. And moving with what moves me. I'd like you to notice the sensations you're experiencing. Remember, this is a time for you to explore, imagine, create, and to practice being present. This is time to practice understanding your body and how you want to move and take up space. Let's move together for a while. You can follow along with me as best you can, and we can be weird together. I'm so glad you've joined me today in learning how to be in our bodies through movement. I hope you found some insight in today's exploration. I'm just shaking that movement out and centering myself again by taking in a few deep breaths to end my practice of moving in nature. See you next time.
Thanks so much for joining me on Move Out Loud today. I hope you found some moves that move you. And even if you didn't, I appreciate you supporting this, and I hope that you found something that inspired you to either get outside today, move your body a little bit, and feel empowered in yourself and who you are. Thanks so much for joining.